This video will take you through the steps you need to follow to install and register the Saphire Solutions Atom Android mobile app on your device. To install the app, go to the Google Play Store on your device and search for Atom Site Engineer. This will take you to the app in the Google Play Store. Tap the app and select the install option. Once installed, you will see the application icon on your device's desktop. Tap the icon and accept all the permissions when prompted. You will need to register your device the first time you open it. To do this, press the register button in the bottom left of the screen. You will then be prompted to enter a PIN number. The PIN number can be obtained from the Saphire support team. Once registered, the app will automatically download the setup for your device and all of the appointments that have been assigned to you. The app is split into 3 sections. At the top of the page, you will see the icons that you can tap to move between the different sections. The bottom of the page has the action buttons that are relevant to the section that you are currently in. The middle of the page shows you the details of whatever section you are currently in. On the My Jobs page, this is a list of all of the jobs that have been assigned to you. The completed section shows you all of the jobs that you have completed on this device. Each job tile shows the appointment date, the job reference, the type of job, a brief description, and the site that the job is assigned to. Tapping on any job tile takes you into the details of that job. If the job has any tasks or assets assigned to it, you can see the number of tasks or assets on the right-hand side of the tile. The coloured bar indicates the status of the tasks assigned to this job. Red indicating that all of the tasks need to be completed, amber indicating that some of the tasks need to be completed, and green indicating that all of the tasks have been completed. You can tap the number on the right of the tile and this will take you straight to the job details page and show you all of the tasks or assets associated with the job. The dashboard section provides you with a calendar view of all of your active jobs. From here, you can tap any of the tiles to filter the list of jobs corresponding to the tile you have tapped. For example, if you tap a date, it will take you straight back to the My Jobs section and show you just the jobs for that date. The My Sites section shows you a list of all of the sites that you have worked at in the last 90 days. You can select any site in the list to view the site address and contact details. From the site details page, you can view any site documents that you have access to and also the full asset list and maintenance plan for all of the assets associated with the site. Tapping the back button on the top right of any page takes you back to the previous page. Finally, if you have been given access to it, you will see the F-gas section icon on the right. From here, you can manage your refrigerant cylinders, usage, and returns. On the job pages, you will additionally see a menu button in the bottom right. Tapping the menu button gives you access to the About pop-up, the Notifications section, the Schedule section, the System section, and if your device has been set up, you will also see a My Web Page option that will take you straight to your businesses or any other web page. The About option shows you a pop-up that provides you with details about your device, registration, and the setup. The Notifications option takes you to the Notifications section where any company or application notices are shown. The Schedules option takes you to the Schedules section where you can see the full details of all of the business's maintenance schedules. Finally, the System option takes you to the Systems section where you can see the logs, details of the eDoc templates that you have access to, and where you are able to send a backup of the database to the technical support team. You can also use this section to change the orientation of the application if you are, for example, using it on a tablet. This completes the training video for the installation, setup and overview of the Saphire Solutions Atom mobile app.